Hey everyone, my name is Kate Randall and I am the owner and creator of Kate&Barrel Designs. And today I'm so excited because I've been working on this vanity and done a couple segments already. And today what I'd like to do is I'm actually going to show you guys how to apply Dixie Belle's black wax. So this is Dixie Belle's Best Dang Wax. I absolutely love utilizing this product. And it works great to accent pieces. However, on this piece, what I'm going to be doing is actually doing a really heavy application. So this is a little bit different than just a nice little accent. I'm actually going to be utilizing it almost as a second color or third or fourth color on top of the piece. So this is like my last color that I'm applying to my piece. So basically what I've done is I've already got a chip brush. It's been utilized for this already. And I've got a wipe off cloth. And basically you don't have to use Dixie Belle's wax for this. I have not applied any wax yet on this piece. There's no clear wax or anything like that to help me do a wipe off. So I really want it to be almost like the last color that I put on top of this piece. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some wax to my chip brush. And I'm actually gonna got a little kind of shop towel here as well, and just so I can do a little bit of wipe off so it's not super heavy. So look, I've already gotten quite a bit off, but I can use this to kind of reapply too, which is great. And basically what I'm going to do is go in and apply the wax literally as another color on top of this piece. I've got about 4 or 5 different colors going on here. So this is just going to darken and add even more depth to what's already in here. So hopefully you guys can see that. So you can see the difference between this one and that one where I've already applied the wax. And then I'm just gonna go through and wipe off. So I've gotten in the heavy crevices. This is also gonna seal my piece up. So it's a great sealant. So it's gonna protect. But I'm definitely leaving a lot in there. I want it to be really heavy. Right? And it will take a little bit longer for it to dry because I'm using it so heavy, but that's okay as well. I got plenty of time with this piece for it to be able to do those things, right? So, get that little, there you go. So we'll go ahead so it's easier for you guys to see. And it's gonna pick up on like all the little textures and everything that's already going on with this piece. So I'll bring you in even closer so you guys can see that. Really heavy. So you can see such a difference between here and even kind of up here and what I've got going on. So I'm gonna go ahead, this is on a little bit of rollers, so go ahead. And you can even see like down here, I haven't done the black wax yet on the sides yet. So it's really kind of deepening and darkening up the piece and doing some really cool stuff. Let me move you guys down a little bit. We've got some really fun colors, purples, blues, kind of like a dark stormy gray green going on in here. And then when you add in the darkness, just kind of creates a whole new look. So there you go. So I will keep on working on this piece, and hopefully that helped you guys out in order to see how you can utilize a dark wax to become almost like a last and final color on one of your pieces. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would love that. And in order to see more of my videos, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kate and Barrel Designs. See you guys next time. Bye.